Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung ating series about rational expressions. No? Kung pinapanood yung mga previous videos natin, ang ginawa natin was to explain kung ano ba ibig sabihin ng reducing rational numbers and rational expressions to lowest terms. And itutuloy natin yan dito. No? So here we have 3x to the 15th over 6x to the 4th, and then we have 6y to the 4th z squared over 4y z to the 5th. No? Iba't ibang klase yung strategy na ginagawa dito. No? And ang unang number ay ang gagawin natin ay yung tinatawag natin na law of exponent. No? So, pag numbers, pwede natin siyang ihiwalay, no? Yung 3 over 6. No? Times x to the 15th over x to the 4th. No? Now, the principle behind kung bakit pwede natin siyang ihiwalay, di ba? Pwede, pag nag-a over b times c over d tayo, ay pwede natin ac over bb. No? So, this is the reason, this property, or this law, is the reason why pwede natin hiwalayan. No? And 3 over 6, I think that's very obvious. Magiging 1/2 yan, no? Divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. Tapos yung x to the 15th divided by x to the 4th is actually x to the 15 minus 4. No? This is law of exponent. And this is 1/2 x to the 11th. No? Yung x to the 15th over x to the 4th, pwede nyo rin siyang i-factor. No? X to the 15th over x to the 4th is equal to x to the 11 times x to the 4th. No? Para maparisa natin yung x to the 4th sa baba. So, x to the 4th. And makakancel natin yan, x to the 11, yung matitira. Pwede natin gawin yan, lalo na pag marami yung variables, mahirap. Nakakalito kung maggaganito pa tayo ng exponent. So, pwede natin i-break down yung mga variables. No? Papakita ko sa inyo yun dito sa pangalawa. So, we have 6y to the 4th z squared divided by 4y z to the 5th. No? So, magiging dito na lang tayo sa baba para hindi mambura yung ating text dito. So, magiging 6 over 4 no? Times y to the 4th over y times z squared over z to the 5th. No? So, pwede natin yan i-lowest terms yung numbers. Yung number we have, pwede natin i-divide by 2 yung both the numerator and the denominator. No? Or pwede natin sabihin 2 times 3 tsaka 2 times 2. And then we have y to the 4 tsaka y. Magiging y cubed times y, no? Over y. This is y to the 4th, no? By a law of exponent. And this is z squared over z squared times z cubed. No? Yung z to the 5th, no? Pag, di ba ang law of exponent natin ay a to the m times a to the n equals a to the m plus n. No? Pag pareho yung base, meron kang exponent na add mo, no? Ibig sabihin, yung y to the 4th, pwede natin siyang isulat as y cubed times y, no? Y to the first power yan, for example. So, we can cancel out, no? Ang pwede natin i-cancel ay, yung sa number, pwede i-cancel yung 2. Pwede rin natin i-cancel to, and yung z squared. Pag nag-cancel, huwag nyo kalimutan ilagay yung 1, no? Because you are dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the same number, no? Or variable. So, for example, yung y over y. We divide this by y. We also divide this by y. Kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng, pag nag-cancel tayo, magiging 1 yan. Yun ang nangyayari actually dito. So, ang natira sa numbers natin ay 3 over 2. No? This is 3 over 2. And then, dito na-cancel yung dalawang y to the first power. Ang natira na lang ay y cubed. Nasa taas yung y cubed, di ba? Kasi ito nasa baba ito eh. Pero ito naman, ang natira naman dito ay z. So, y cubed over 1. Tapos ito naman ang natira, yung 1 sa taas. Tapos z cubed sa baba. No? And, pag na-simplify na natin, pwede na natin pagsamasamahin. No? Diba, minumultiply lang naman lahat ng nasa taas at lahat ng nasa baba. So, 3 times y cubed times 1 is 3y cubed over 2 times 1 times z cubed is 2z cubed. Okay, so ito na yung pinakasagot natin. Okay, that's it. I think yung skill nyo dito is dapat familiar kayo dun sa laws of exponents. And at the same time, I think pinag-aralan nyo rin yung division of polynomials before, no? So this is also the same as division of monomials. It's not really new, no? So if you've discussed algebraic expressions, I think this is a familiar process, no? Okay, that's it. Gusto ko yung invite sa facebook.com/sit9ph. Ito yung ating Facebook page and our YouTube channel. We have youtube.com/user/sit9ph. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.